Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So my name is Charles Chinonso, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to know if your friend actually blocked you on WhatsApp. So you might be chatting with your friend excitedly, so you guys are chatting back and forth, and then you realize that he has blocked you on WhatsApp. So you can see this is my other WhatsApp. So for this experiment, I'll be using two of my WhatsApp to do this. So one of them is WhatsApp and the other one is WhatsApp Business. So you can see, can you see I sent him a message, he read it, and it was double tick with a blue color. So right now I'll get to show you what to look out for if your friend actually blocked you on WhatsApp. So going over to my other WhatsApp, I'll come over here and block this number so that you get to see the signs that you have to look out for to know if you're actually blocked on WhatsApp. So I'll block this number over here. I'll click other reason, then I'll click on block. So the very first thing you want to look out for when they block you on WhatsApp is the display picture. Can you see the display picture? So let's click on the display picture. You will see that there's nothing showing there again. It would have disappeared by now. So let's wait. This is loading. So I try to check the display picture. Can you see profile photo removed? I guess it's network. Can you see the display picture is not showing again? So this is one sign that you have been blocked on WhatsApp. But then you can't judge with just this sign because it's possible the person has actually deleted this display picture. So you can't really judge with this. So the second sign you can look out for to know if you are blocked on WhatsApp is, we sent message earlier and it's double tick with a blue color. So this time around, if you send message again, it will not double tick, it will just send only once, like it will just be one tick. Can you see? So but then it's possible the person has turned off his or her read receipt, so you can't judge with this also. Probably after 24 hours, if it's still like this, then you can decide that, okay, I think this guy has blocked me on WhatsApp. But then I'll be showing you the final way you can get to know if truly the person has blocked you on WhatsApp. So this way is very simple. Just go to your WhatsApp, can you see? So over here you come to where you can create a group. So let's click on the three dots, then you come to new group. So let's create a group right here. So if this is your first time on this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and also turn on your notifications so that you can always get value videos like this. Also ensure to like and comment. Drop a comment in the comment section if you're able to do this and it worked for you. So over here you have to add your friend number that you think has blocked you. So I'll click on my glow because that is the number that I feel blocked me. So I'll click on add. So once I click on add, you see what will happen next. So I'll just give it a random name here. Friend. Alright, so I'll click on this tick so that it will create a group for me with my friend. So once I do that right away, creating group. So my group has been created. You can see the group right here, friend. So I'll click on the group to open it. So once I open the group, so this is how you get to know if your friend actually blocked you on WhatsApp or not. So once you click on this place up here, then just scroll down, you get to see that you are the only one in the group. It means you're unable to add your friend to the group. So that's just the third and the best way to know if your friend actually blocked you on WhatsApp. So I believe you enjoyed this video. Ensure to like and comment on this video so that it can reach out to more people. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.